not a hike this time, but the first boat ride of the season. This evening was forecasted to have brilliant weather, but true to form, when the bear and I go out boating, it started raining. Fortunately, the rain stopped and the skies cleared, revealing a stunning backdrop of blue skies and bright sunlight. Fjord, just where we are riding the boat in Kragerø, along with Fjord, the fjord of Kragerø, is renowned for its breathtaking scenery and serene waters. Nestled within the southern coast of Norway, Kragerø is often referred to as the gem of the coastal towns for its picturesque archipelago and charming village. Fjord, with its tranquil ambience, offers an idyllic escape, allowing visitors to experience the region's natural beauty and maritime heritage. We tried our luck fishing for a short while, although the fjords have seen a significant decline in fish population the recent years. The decline is due to a variety of factors, and frankly I am at loss as to where to start or what to believe. The fact remains that in my 30 years of navigating these waters, the number of fish has dwindled considerably. Kammerfosselva, a historic river in the region, has played a vital role in the local community. Its waters powered mills and sawmills in the past, contributing to the area's industrial growth. The river's history is intertwined with the development of Kragerø, reflecting the transformation from a hub of industrial activity to a haven of nature enthusiasts and historians